Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Adrian Blue, and we are going to react to the song Big Blue Sun. Big Blue Sun. Okay, this will be your first time listening to this song. It will be a single take honest reaction. It will be an unscripted spontaneous reaction, just like we always give on our channel. We have reacted to more than 1,000 artists so far on this channel itself on Inoma, and we are very proud of having achieved that. And it has not come easy. It has not been easy journey either, and not that we were expecting anything to be a rosy time. When you are out there in the open, you are ready for any kind of whatever may come in your way.
But yes, talking about that, I would just like to say that if you call yourself a music reaction channel, and if you only react to few artists out there,
Those who are getting you views,
irrespective whether it's getting them views or not, I mean, they can't eat those views, right?
but they crave for it.
They all die very premature or miserable death as a channel on YouTube.
Yeah.
Sooner or later.
Yeah.
No matter how big they look today, they all, many of them or most of them have died before our very eyes. Because they've only looked for views and subscribers.
Life cycle on YouTube is
If you're only looking for that, you're never going to be happy. And you're never going to be satisfied. I find it quite amusing, that most reaction channels who react to music, they stick to only 10, 20, a maximum of 50 artists. Even the biggest music reaction channels, so-called biggest music reaction channels, have reacted to a maximum of 200 artists. I think there's only 2 reaction or 3 reaction channels who've reacted to more than 200 different artists and bands. Obviously, we are the only ones who've reacted to more than 1,000. And when I say a reaction, it's not only about listening to music. There are a couple of channels who only listen to music, and they're more or less done after they've heard it. So we also give a review. We also talk about things like this point. So yeah, it's really interesting to see how shallow the platform can be as far as music reactions are concerned. And definitely it also speaks about the kind of viewers that are there on platforms like these who don't really want substance but are very happy with shallowness, and that also reflects on possibly all walks of their life, not just music. Their taste in food, clothing, different aspects of life and culture probably is as shallow as their taste in music reactors and music that they listen to.
Big Blue Sun. Not seen a blue sun yet. Let's listen to it.
This patron who's requested this is anything but shallow.
Yeah.
It has diverse taste in music.
Definitely.
And we definitely applaud patrons like him.
It's been more than a year to know his taste in music.
His name is Jeffrey, and he's gone from prog rock to classical music to
sometimes New Age as well, I would say.
Sometimes New Age.
Sometimes pop.
Pop.
A couple of songs.
So he's all over the place, kind of like we are. And definitely we enjoy listening to most of his requests. Let's get started on that note. And you can be a patron too. It's tough to be a patron with us because
we are honest.
We are honest. Yeah, that was bluntly put. So we are honest, and it's difficult for certain patrons who are well funded patrons by the music labels and YouTube. It's very difficult for them to digest our brutal honesty.
If you're looking for some,
especially if that honesty happens to be a negative review.
Yeah, if you're looking for positive reviews,
if it's positive, of course you will love it. But when it comes to honesty, it can't always be positive and it can't always be negative. It's going to be honest. So it's going to be one way or the other, sometime or the other. It's not in our control, neither in yours.
Let's begin.
violins, a cello, and a viola.
Viola.
Okay.
Great.
Wow.
So many stringed instruments apart from the drums, almost everything.
This was bubbly, this was cheerful, this was upbeat, this was playful, this was downright romantic, energetic, and fun to listen to. This is a good song. This is a fun song. It's a party song. It's like a summer song. It's a love song. It's a dance song. Nice, nice.
These are the absolute
really,
necessities.
really good song, for this time in the world.
Yeah.
The world that we're living in today, where there's a lot of strife, a lot of pain, a lot of stress, a lot of fear. Music like this definitely will lighten up your mood and lift your spirits a whole lot. Lift your spirits a lot. What are your thoughts, Kirti? I'm done.
This was enjoyable. This was enjoyable. I like the musical arrangement, the way the music flows, the way the music goes. It was nice to listen to it, and his energetic, passionate voice along with it, singing about it. So much passion with, not for himself but for someone else. Is rare. These days it is very rare to see. People don't want to talk about someone else. I will give you something like that. People want that for themselves. Always every single person is looking all the good things for themselves. It's self-centered world. All the time we talk about our problems, how difficult it is, these are the problems, that is happening, this is happening. It's all revolving around you. Here is a song that is talking about taking away somebody else's worries and problems. And at the same time talking about the nature, talking about all round things of life. These are the absolute necessities of life.
What does a big blue sun mean? Is he talking about the blue sky in the summertime?
I don't know.
Perhaps
Even I was
referring to it
wondering
as a
that.
big blue sun, because all round is just blue during the summer. So is he talking about the whole sky, or is it just a play on words, to make it rhyme and sound?
I don't know what is the blue sun thing.
Sound little different.
He said the summer loves the big blue sun.
Yeah.
But I don't know why the sun, because sun never turns blue. Sun will never, especially in summer, it
I
will
think
be
it's referring
bright.
to the big blue sky.
Maybe.
Summer loves the blue sky.
Uh-huh.
I mean, in the summer you have the big blue sky.
Yeah.
Very few clouds, and even those that are there are very light, fluffy, and
whitish.
very bright white.
Yeah, they are not
Because they're
grey.
not at all grey in the summertime.
At least that's how it is in India.
And they float by, constantly
They keep
floating,
moving.
constantly moving.
Yeah, they're collecting.
Or they seem to be moving. to
No,
us.
they are actually, I think they collect with the wind, they keep traveling, and then the monsoon comes. That is how it happens here in India. Don't know the blue sun if it rises anywhere else. But I enjoyed the song. I definitely enjoyed
Land
the
of the rising sun, land of the red sun is Japan.
Yeah.
So blue sun, if there's such a country which has it, I don't know. Yeah, but very well sung, very cheerful, upbeat, fun song, fun all the way, and very romantic too. Very romantic.
For me, it was more than romantic. Like, not only for your partner, you can sing this to your children also. You can sing it to your friend as well. Anybody who's in, who you think wants to dedicate
And
this
the
song.
music was pretty good too. Music was pretty good.
When it started, the intro was good, very, very good too.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That's it for this one.